Moving from middle school to high school is a big step, filled with new experiences and challenges. One of the biggest changes you'll notice is the diversity of teaching styles you'll encounter. Each teacher brings their own unique approach to the classroom, making every class a new adventure. This variety can be exciting, but also require you to adapt. You'll need to be flexible and open-minded, ready to engage with different teaching styles and learning environments. Embrace the diversity, and you'll find that each teacher has something valuable to offer, helping you grow both academically and personally. Some classrooms are alive with discussion, group activities, and hands-on learning. These interactive environments encourage participation. Be prepared to share your thoughts and engage in discussions. Collaboration is key, so be ready to work with your peers. In contrast to highly interactive settings, where students engage in group discussions and hands-on activities, some classes center around lectures. These lecture-based classes can be just as enriching if approached correctly. Active listening and effective note-taking are essential skills to develop. Paying close attention and engaging mentally with the material can make a significant difference. Find a note-taking method that works for you. Focus on key concepts and supporting details. This will help you stay engaged and avoid getting overwhelmed. Use abbreviations and symbols to save time. Developing your own shorthand can make note-taking faster and more efficient. Actively listen for cues from the teacher, like changes in tone or repetition, that signal important information. Project-based learning allows you to explore topics in depth through independent or group projects. This method of learning encourages students to take ownership of their education, fostering a sense of responsibility and independence. By engaging in hands-on activities, students can connect theoretical knowledge with real-world applications. These classes emphasize critical thinking, problem-solving, and time management. Students learn to approach challenges methodically, developing strategies to overcome obstacles. This not only enhances their academic skills but also prepares them for real-life situations. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. This approach helps in reducing the feeling of being overwhelmed and allows for steady progress. Create a realistic timeline and stick to it. Setting deadlines for each task ensures that you stay on track and manage your time effectively. Don't be afraid to ask for guidance from your teacher. Teachers can provide valuable insights and feedback that can enhance the quality of your work. Collaboration and communication are essential, especially in group projects. Working with others teaches you how to share ideas, listen actively, and resolve conflicts. Mastering these skills will not only lead to success in project-based classes, but also prepare you for the challenges of college, careers, and life beyond the classroom.